Are you experiencing neck pain that just won't go away? Most neck issues develop over time. Factors like poor posture, phone habits, or even sleeping wrong can lead to damage in your cervical curve. It's not just a temporary issue, structural loss often requires intervention. This is where the Denneroll Cervical orthotic comes into play. This passive device is designed to correct cervical curve loss from the comfort of your home. Your cervical spine is naturally C-shaped. This curve absorbs shock and distributes weight evenly. When you lose that curve, it can cause various complications. For instance, your discs may bear pressure they aren't designed to handle. This creates discomfort and can lead to chronic pain. So, what causes the loss of this important curve? A common culprit is the forward head posture. This occurs when you spend too long looking down at screens. Over time, this bad habit weakens the muscles supporting the curve, causing it to flatten. Other factors like whiplash or disc degeneration can also contribute to this issue, leading to chronic neck pain that adjustments alone can't resolve. But does the Denneroll actually work? The answer is yes, especially for the right candidates. Research indicates that using the Denneroll consistently can significantly improve the cervical lordosis angle, reduce forward head translation, and alleviate chronic neck symptoms. It's essential to follow the usage protocol for lasting results. Who is a good candidate for the Denneroll? If you have measurable cervical lordosis loss, suffer from chronic neck pain, or have been struggling with forward head posture, you may benefit. However, it's not suitable for everyone. Those with severe osteoporosis or spinal instability should possibly avoid it. At Glendale Chiropractic, we conduct thorough evaluations, including possible X-ray referrals, to determine the right fit for you. Your fitting involves proper placement and a review of the home protocol to ensure you're equipped to use the device correctly. This way, you can effectively apply the corrective measures during your daily routine. When using your Denneroll at home, start slowly with just a few minutes a day. As you get comfortable, gradually build up to 10-15 minutes. It's essential to use it on a firm surface, like a yoga mat, and to ensure your head is relaxed. Consistency is key. Regular daily use is far more effective than sporadic longer sessions. Dr. Brockway often combines the Denneroll with a pro-lordosis exerciser and a posture halo. This multi-pronged approach supports not just cervical correction, but overall posture as well. Cervical curve correction may take months, but early signs of improvement can be seen in just weeks. With consistent use, you can expect better range of motion and less tension. To achieve lasting changes, continuous attention to your posture and following the protocol are crucial. If you suspect you may need the Denneroll, schedule an evaluation at Glendale Chiropractic. Dr. Brockway will assess your spine and guide you through the next steps. Don't let neck pain control your life. Call 720-889-1659 or visit us at 425 South Cherry Street number 307, Denver, Colorado, 80246 to make an appointment today.